right, well, good afternoon, everybody, and I'm heading over to the grocery store, or actually, I'm just leaving the grocery store now. While I was there out in the parking lot, I saw a guy with a truck, and a friend of mine was with me, and we were walking along, him and his girlfriend, and he goes, "Hey, look, isn't this some redneck shit right here? Isn't that the most redneck thing you ever saw?" So I walked over to this guy's truck, I took a picture. I'm going to put it up here in just a sec. Actually, I didn't make too much of a comment, but I sat there and I thought, hey, you know what? This is redneck ingenuity. I mean, this guy, took some scrap, literally, and made a toolbox for the back end of his truck. And here we go. Let me show you the picture and then we'll continue talking. Okay, so, look, I know that may seem really like some oaky, or, you might want to call the guy a bunch of names for what he did, but I thought it was pretty clever to take a beer keg like that, drill holes, put little bolts through it on the hinges and stuff like that, and make a toolbox out of it. I thought it was pretty crafty. The one thing I'll tell you, if you do something like that, and I've done this with other tanks when you make barbecue pits, is you want to cut the back seam first, where the hinges are going to go, the long straight one, and then attach your hinges. Then cut the verticals and the other horizontal going across the bottom where you're going to attach the handle. This will give you much better alignment in terms of how this thing's going to open and close. Don't just cut it all out and then attach things. You're going to struggle with the opening and closing of it correctly. So, like I said, cut it first. It's kind of your quick tip of the day. I thought it was kind of a fun thing, to take a look at and think about, hey, this guy really puts, a little bit of thought into this. To take a beer keg and, do that. And make sure the pressure's out of the beer keg, of course, before you cut into it with your 4.5-inch angle grinder with your cutoff wheel. But I thought it was clever. Anyway, I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe. I'll keep throwing up these little short videos and things that I run across. Might give you some ideas to do something like this on your own. You might have an old beer keg and you might want to make something similar for just home or around the shop. It doesn't have to go in, in your truck bed. You have other uses, for some kind of a storage thing like that. All right, you folks have a great day, and I'm going to see you on the next video. If you're wondering about hinges, look at my previous video. I show you where you can go and get hinges, and they're pretty cheap. Okay, folks, have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.